Imagine if you could create good content that people are actually looking for, and it's optimized with the right words, with the right content that people actually need, answering their basic questions. This is actually what this video, a combination of VidIQ as your research tool and ChatGPT for getting your scripts ready, will do for you. So it will help you rank your videos, optimize it the way it should be before you upload. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide, how to do your research, see what people are looking for, and how to make sure that you put your description, your thumbnail, everything is on point, and that your videos get discovered. No more having to look for people to click and watch your video. So stick around, we'll get right into it.
So let's get right into it. VidIQ is actually a tool that will show you the topics that are trending, what people are actually searching for, the search volume, so you can actually optimize your videos. It's a YouTube research tool that can actually help you in your YouTube success journey to create outstanding posts that will stand out, what people are really searching for. So you're not just aiming aimlessly, shooting aimlessly. You are actually hitting the nail on the target, on the head. Okay, so with it, you want to search for videos that are trending, topics that are trending. The aim is that you're looking for topics that are trending with good search volume that have low to medium competition, because you don't want to get lost with probably higher YouTubers who had actually done videos on that and you're just starting out. So with it, we're also working with the ChatGPT 4.0 with the canvas. So let's see how we can actually use these two tubes to actually create content that people are looking for and to get good keywords that people are searching for. So let's say we want to create let's say weight loss. Let's see, what's the search volume like? Of course, you can check the overview and see what the overview is like. You can check the matching keywords that people are using for, but the major thing is that you could look at related keywords. As you can see, the search volume is good, but the competition is very high. Competition high. So let's look at let's go back and input Facebook ads. What you're looking at with related keywords is that with the related keywords, it will show you, even if it's not matching terms, you could look at the matching terms as well. How many people have used, what are the search terms that they are using? Okay, but you could also look at the related terms, keywords. And the other part is with the related keywords, you're looking for long tail keywords that people are actually looking for. You know, as you go to Google, the way you search for it, how a beginner, how a novice is looking for those keywords, that's what we call the long tail keywords, what people are looking for. So with it, you can see, oh, the people are looking for how to run Facebook ads, and it has over 65,000 searches, and the competition is medium, so it's a good keyword. It's a good long tail keywords. How to create Facebook ads, it has over 16,000. Facebook ad strategy, it has over 33,000. So with it, we're going to copy them. Then you go over to a spreadsheet, open a new one. You want to actually check, not just you copy and just go and make videos. You want to also see how are people using it. Are there videos around this topic that people have made, and how are the videos doing? So with your VidIQ, you can actually spy on other channels to know how they are doing, how they are using this, and how it's actually trending. So let's get to it. So we saw how to create Facebook ads. Let's go back again to how to run Facebook ads. I saw it initially, probably it has gone down. Okay, so let's go back to it. Okay, yes, here it is. How to run Facebook ads. It's 65. You copy it, you go to this, you paste it, you come back again, you select Facebook ad tutorial. The search volume is also good. Sorry, it just keeps clicking. I'm supposed to just click on okay, you copy it and paste. Then like that, you just copy as many as you feel, oh, this is what you need. Facebook ads dropshipping looks good, over 40,000. Let's pick it as well. And also, for the purposes of this video, I might not continue doing that, but you need to search extensively. So you go to YouTube, You impute the keyword you just found, and let's say you look at it and you want to see people who have created videos around this. What are the videos like? How are they getting traction? That's a major thing. So it says the only Facebook ad strategy you need, Shopify dropshipping, and this was over a month ago. Okay, it has 4 views per hour. 4 views per hour, which is good, and this was a month ago, and he has over 10,000 subscribers. You want to produce videos that you will not get lost among the big YouTubers. So he has over 10,000 and he's doing 4 videos per hour, which is good. So let's go further. This one says 730 days dropshipping with Facebook ads case study. This is a month ago. It has 6 views per hour and he has gotten over 15,000 views, which is good. Okay, because he imputed the figures. So this one is how I test and scale dropshipping products using Facebook ads, and this is 5 videos per hour. So okay, which is good. Facebook ads dropshipping, we say that is doing well. Okay, so let's go to how to run Facebook ads. We copy it, we'll come again to Facebook, to YouTube, we impute it and put in the search volume to check the search volume. Okay, this is 8 months ago and he has over 10,000 subscribers, and this video, okay, he has 320,000 subscribers and this video has over 70,000 views, which is good. Still check if other lower channels have done this. Okay, so this is pretty close, over 3.5 views, thousand views, and it's still doing 9 videos per hour 4 weeks ago. So you want to watch the videos and see what did they do, what is the length of the video, how is it gaining traction, to check, okay, what did they do, what angles did they go through, how can I improve on this video and get more watch hours. Even though this is over 15,000 subscribers, his video is still getting good traction with his tutorial he put in for 2024 beginners, which is good. How to run Facebook ads in 2024 complete Facebook ads tutorial. This is over a month ago and it has 3 views per hour. So you also go back again to your strategies. If you feel what you have is not what you need, you could actually look for other ones to say maybe I still need more keywords. Okay, then at this point, having gotten what you need, you've seen how people are using these keywords, you go to ChatGPT and you want to use ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. I would actually recommend that you go with the ChatGPT 4.0 because it's a more recent application and it's more creative. It will give you more recent results because it's more intelligent and it's more recent. It can browse to check for recent trends, recent searches, unlike the ChatGPT, the free version, ChatGPT 3.5, that has the free version and it's limited to the 2021 events. Any happenings after that, you might not get an updated yet. That is why you have to get the ChatGPT 4.0. So you have to input your keyword. Let's say write a YouTube script for the topic how to run Facebook ads with relevant strategies, write a hook, introduction, and content addressing pain points for beginners. So you impute it and wait for it to just go ahead and run. So the good thing about it is that you want it to give you the hook, the introduction, how you should script it. It's addressing these pain points that you want for a beginner. So it knows what people are coming to search. So ChatGPT will give that. So by the time you go through it, the hook, have you tried running Facebook ads for your business only to be left scratching your head, overwhelmed by all the options and feeling like you're burning money without results? It knows what people go through by looking for these results are actually going through. So it will address it. So by the time you're opening your video and you're addressing this, that's enough for people to stop, pause and listen to. And your YouTube thumbnail has to be on point. So you look at the content. If you feel this is not the level you want, the good thing about ChatGPT 4.0 with the canvas is you can adjust the reading level. Let's say, oh, I want you to make this for probably a middle school. I want it simpler, or I want it for graduate school level. Let's say just make it for middle school and just have it rewrite that. Of course, it would rewrite all that. Say it starts all over to start writing again. it's now listed, oh, common problem, most beginners get confused about the goals. So as you're producing your video, you could talk about, oh, getting confused with your goals and all that, and people might just be like, oh, God really understands what I need. I should even listen more. So by the time you're done with structuring your video, that is actually an eye-catching moment. The good thing about it is that with the VidIQ, you could actually install the Chrome. It has the Chrome extension that you could actually put on your Chrome browser and use free of charge, but it has the limited searches that you can do daily, even for your keywords, even for your ideas. You can use it for ideation. It can give you ideas on what to improve about your channel. Even if you don't want to use the paid versions, you could still use it for a limited time. This one has a 7-day free trial that you could use. So if you feel this is not what you need, you can cancel. But definitely having this in your YouTube arsenal will help you stand out. You are not just aiming and shooting aimlessly. So if this video has actually been useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and also share. Thank you for watching.